Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I'm going to be bringing y'all a wig review. But this is not just any wig review. This is coming from a company called ILikeHair, and their wigs are different because they have a kinky hairline. So you know how pretty much all of the wigs have the like straight hairline and it doesn't really mimic African American hair texture? Well, these mimic African American hair texture. They were so kind to reach out to me and ask me to try their wigs. I agreed because I wanted to see what that was about. I wanted to see how their wigs were different from other wigs, if this natural hairline actually mimics what African American hair looks like. I want to see if it's giving natural. So if y'all are interested in seeing how this wig looks, and if it's giving natural, then make sure you keep watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the hair comes in this nice little orange cotton bag. It's giving me Hermes vibes. Is it just me or no? Like, yeah, it comes in this bag, and this is the hair. It also comes with their information card, a wig cap, of course, and then it comes with your little bag of goodies. So they do have the kinky curly texture, but they also have the kinky straight texture. I decided to go with the kinky curly texture, and this is how the hair looks straight out of the pack. This is a 7x5 lace wig. I guess you would call this a closure because it's not like a full frontal. What we're all wanting to see is the hairline. So this is how the hairline looks. Like, you can see that the hairline is giving a kinky curly texture. It's not super duper straight. And just looking at it, some of the roots are actually curly, like at the roots, while some of them are still like a straighter wavy texture. And I did get the 20-inch, and I'm gonna go ahead, pull my hair back, get my wig cap on, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, so I'm not doing a ball cap method. If you watch my wig videos, then you know I don't do the ball cap method because I'm a lazy girl. I also don't bleach my knots, so don't expect me to bleach any knots. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna put this wig on my head just to see how it looks, see if it needs to be pre-plucked. I kind of feel like with this kinky curly hairline, plucking the hairline isn't really gonna make sense, but let's go ahead and just get it on our head and see. This hairline looks a little odd. I don't know. I'm going to, let me part it. I don't know. The hairline is really just giving like super arched, and maybe it's because there's no part. I don't know. Let me see. The part situation is also going to need to be plucked. Ooh, I don't know what to do with this hair. Okay, because the roots in the center are kind of giving straight. Should I just do like a side, like a flip over situation? All right, y'all, so I actually do think I am going to do a middle part. I just feel like it suits me best and it's what I'm used to. Maybe later on, I'll try like a side flip over part. I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace, although like, the lace looks pretty good. And then we'll come back, apply the wig, we'll wet it down, kind of define the curls a little bit more and see what it's giving. Because I'm not going to lay the baby hairs down and do any like swoops or anything, I want them to still look natural, like how they're supposed to look. I'm not gonna use any mousse to like comb it back like I usually do. I'm going to use my Got To Be spray, and that is what I'm going to use to hold this lace down. All right, now I'm gonna take my band and just lay the edges down so that the lace kind of like melts down. Now I'm going to take my water, literally that's it, that's all I'm gonna use. And I'm going to spray this hair so I can redefine these curls. Okay, y'all, so the hair is mostly dry. I mean, it's a little bit damp, just a teensy little bit damp on this side, but this side is all the way dry. As you can see, we got some frizz going and I love it. So let's go ahead and take our band off so we can see how the edges are looking. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, I see what it's giving. But I do still feel like I need to style the edges just a little bit. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. I feel like this video is really chaotic. It is late at night, and this is probably like the third video that I'm recording. I'm sorry if it's giving chaos, but we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna cut it right up the middle first. And then get it as close as I can to the hairline. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did go in and kind of like fluff up the edges a little bit with some mousse. And y'all know I always use this RS olive oil wrapping setting mousse. And the edges are still curly. I didn't try to smooth them out or anything. I don't know, I could have worked with them a little bit more if I wanted it to look more like neat. But I think this looks good. Like, it looks it's giving very much natural, and I like it. Like, look at the hairline, y'all. This is actually my hair right here, and this is the hairline from the wig. I didn't completely cut off all the lace back there, but the hairline, it just matches so seamlessly that you can't really see the lace that I didn't cut off. Like, I could literally hold the hair back and it's giving my hair. Like, who's gonna tell me that this ain't my hair? The hair itself is very, very soft. As you can see, it did get bigger as I let it dry more. It does have some frizz in it, just like natural hair, natural curly hair would, and I like it. It's cute. I did kind of like make some ringlets at the bottom as I was brushing through it just to define it, but I could easily just like pull those apart, and it's just really giving natural hair. This is super cute. I'll show y'all the back. I don't know how the back looks because I didn't look at it, but it feels big and poofy. The hair, as you can see, the hair does move, and it's just super cute. I like it. It's a lot of hair for sure. It is definitely giving a lot of hair. If you are looking for something to like really mimic African American hair texture, I feel like this is it. And I think this is so cute. Like, see how it looks with a little side part action. But yeah, you can definitely give like side part action, like flip over if you want to. But like with your hair out to the side, like you literally can't tell that this is not my hair. Even into the hairline here, it's definitely giving like natural hair. I like this. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When I first put this wig on my head, I was thinking in my head, like, I don't know how this is going to work out because I don't know, something about it just was not looking right to me. But now that I've got it on and styled and everything, I see the vision. The girls that want a wig that really looks natural need to be getting this. Now I want to try the kinky straight texture. Y'all need to pick this up, okay? This looks good. Thank you so much to ILikeHair for sending this wig over. This is amazing. This is definitely innovative. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think of this down below in the comment section. The direct link for this hair will be listed down below in the description box. I'll also include a coupon code for you guys to get a discount. And thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss it anytime your girl uploads a new video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.